morning, everyone. Well, as I mentioned before, when we were at Nodo, the rear wheel cylinder went on the passenger side. So I just said, you know what, I'm gonna get all new brakes. I'm just gonna do it right. So I got new brake shoes for the rear. I got new brake pads for the front with a hardware kit. I got 2 wheel cylinders for each side, both rear, and then I also got new rotors. I did not get drums for the rear because I don't know what they look like yet. So if they're still good, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. If not, I'm gonna go run up to the store and try to get some of those real quick. But I'm just gonna go through the whole thing. Previously, I went ahead and did soft lines and hard lines. So those are done. So we're just gonna go ahead and start on the brakes now. I'm gonna start on the front and we're gonna kind of go from there, work our way back. Put my power off there.
What?
Here, look. And got a wasp nest in there.
Jeez.
Is that crazy? These still got a lot of pad life left in them. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I don't know when these were placed last, but when I first got them, you know, it's almost like these brakes were replaced and then the vehicle was set, but the pads look brand new. There's just a lot of pitting in here. These are toast. These rotors are toast, but there's still a lot of pad life left. once you get these pieces, you're gonna notice they look different as far as this hub goes. So this hub is missing. So what you have to do is take this hub off right here. You got these 2 bolts here, and that'll pull the whole hub assembly out. So a little FYI for you so you don't freak out. Son, I'd have to drill it out, I guess. Then I have to get another bolt. I don't know where to get a bolt like this. One of the bolts stripped, so I had to drill it out and actually put it in another new bolt. These all right off the thing. I mean, it was plenty of tread, but spider web, everything up. Fun one to deal with. So right or anything. Also, I broke the, I gotta get a new hard line here. That broke. So, there's that too. Let's see, let's get this here. Cylinder. 71 does not have that. All right, hold on a sec. Push down. Yeah. Might be, I might have pinched that line. Nothing's coming out. Huh. What happened? Okay, try pumping the brake. Keep pumping. Okay, cool. Okay, now keep your foot down on it. Okay, cool. All right, let up. Push down. All right, let up. All right, push down. I keep hearing gear though. Yeah, keep going. All right, that's good. Adjusting this, well, it's not really a rod, brake rod, but it's like adjusting the pedal. I'm gonna go ahead and push this back further in to where it was. I adjusted this because I thought it would adjust the play in the between the pin in the I guess this power booster.
And I thought that might be the issue, because when it's warmed up, that's when the brakes seem to cause issues. So but it appears that it's just the passenger right, or the passenger front, that is jamming up. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust this back to where it was. And then we're gonna go ahead and replace the calipers. And hopefully that'll fix it.
So you literally replaced everything with the brakes.
Other than the rear shoes, everything's been replaced. I replaced even the soft lines too, and the hard lines.
Why this won't go in, this bolt. I don't know if it tapers, I have no idea. Maybe it tapers, that's why. It's not the right bolt for it to hold this caliper in. So hopefully it'll be alright.
Okay, you can just press down now. Okay, let up. Press down again. You pressing down?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, keep pumping. Okay, press down.
All right, everyone. Put the calipers in there, it fixed the problem. So it's not the rod. It wasn't like, I was thinking that it was going ahead and heating up. When the fluid heated up, I thought it was pressing on that rod there, brake rod, and pushing out the calipers, and I thought that was the issue. Not the issue. Calipers were seizing up, they're just old, rusty. That was the only thing I didn't replace in the brakes, and did it now. Took it for a run, no issues at all, and no squeaking, no nothing. So I think we're good. So we're gonna see how well it runs, and kind of go from there. We're gonna take it on an hour, well, a 2-hour round trip tomorrow. So we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care. Ready, dear? I had to get the bus, the 61 in the garage because it's gonna rain here Friday. And I didn't want, you know, all the little holes. There's some holes in here, if you guys didn't notice, some here and there. This thing would get flooded. So I figured we'll just keep it in here and it's gonna stay in here for a while. Thanks for watching, have a great night.